Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect wealth charts to TradingView in 2026. For that, simply come here on tradingview.com, then launch the chart of any of the cryptocurrencies in front of you. So once you see the chart of the cryptocurrency in front of you, just like so, simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now, when you see this type of list of the brokers, simply click on the option of show all brokers so that you could see all of the cryptocurrencies and the forex brokers which you can basically connect with TradingView. Now, among these brokers, simply look for wealth charts. So here you can either look for its icon here in this list, or you can use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can simply search for wealth charts. Now, when you type wealth chart here in the search bar, as you can see, nothing found. It simply means that you can't connect wealth charts with TradingView directly. So if that's the case with you as well, what you can do is you can simply open a new tab, and here you can just look for wealthcharts.com. Once you are here on wealth charts, simply log in into your account, then go to trading and launch the chart of that particular crypto which you want to analyze here with the help of TradingView. So for example, let's say you have launched the chart of BTC. So you can use TradingView for analyzing the chart of Bitcoin with the help of these options that are given over here. And then when you are able to find the trade, you can use the long short tool available here. And as per your position, you can either long or short. And in order to punch the orders, basically you can come here in a new tab of wealth charts, and from here you can punch the orders. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.